the Granya Scout Hut here. We haven't been up here before. There's some walking trails up there. By the sound of it, there's a stream down here as well. It's meant to be a waterfall, but I don't know if there'll be enough water flowing for that. Look at that. There's some steps here too. Little path. Got a thunderstorm rolling in, getting cranky up there. Let's go have a look in the hut. Got some firewood in here. Plenty of names on the walls. Tell you what, a good thing to have in all these huts would be just like a single board on one wall for everyone to write their names on, instead of all over the hut. That'd be a good idea, I reckon. Yeah, that's the Granya Scout Hut for you. Another 300 metres to the waterfall and the summit. Dare say we'll probably do the summit tomorrow or another day. It's a bit cooler, maybe after the rain. My legs hurt! Can you carry me? That seemed to work 20 years ago. Doesn't anymore. That's an old one. We'll take that back with us. Ed's found some blackberries up there on the waterfall. Looks like the storm's gone past us.
That's a fig tree, and I'm pretty sure they got coloured figs on them. I'm going up there to
We're on the actual path down now. We ended up making it. So we're just heading back down now. And there's a great big bloody butterfly thing over here. Butterfly or moth? Look at him. Oh, that is pretty. Hang on, mate.